At Woodpeckers, we make some amazing router table components. Well, we've been doing it for over 3 decades. We know how much thought and consideration goes into your perfect router table setup. That's why we curated 5 premium router table packages featuring our most innovative router table components yet, to help you piece together your ultimate workshop companion. In this video, we're going to take a walk through all of the pieces and parts that make up our 5 premium router table packages. To help you navigate the options, we put together this handy guide which you can find on our website. Just click the link in the description below. Let's start with the PRP Basic Package. For those on a tighter budget or who just need something to mount their router to, this one's for you. You'll get our 24 by 32 inch MDF top and adjustable height stand. This package also includes our new SF Pro router table fence. Instead of a router lift, this package features our cast aluminum mounting plate. Keep in mind, there are 4 drilling options to choose from depending on your router motor. Our PRP Basic Package includes everything you need to get started. You just supply the router. Now, for the rest of the packages numbered 1 through 4, you'll have to make some choices. But every package includes some of our finest router table elements yet. First, each package is built around our SF Pro router table fence, with ultra-fine micro adjustment on both the outfeed and infeed fences. Our router stands provide a sturdy base for your table, and they're adjustable from 36 to 42 inch table height. We've done the work of sizing the stand to your table, but each of our adjustable height stands comes with a convenient wheel kit. For all the dust not collected by the SF Pro's dust port, we've included our downdraft dust cabinet. The door provides easy access to your router, and the full throttle blast gate makes hooking up your dust collection easy and keeps your shop clean when it's closed. Now, it's time for you to choose which package is best for you. Selecting the right router table package starts with the size and material for the table. We make both solid phenolic and MDF laminate, and both come in sizes of 24 by 32 inches or 27 by 43 inches. Our phenolic tabletops are precision routed from a solid sheet of 3/4 inch phenolic material that won't warp, bend, or crack due to the elements. Our MDF tabletops are 1 3/8 inch thick and feature microdot lamination on both the top and bottom for increased stiffness and stability. Once you've decided which table size and material is best for you, choose between our Quick Lift and Quick Lift HDS router lift. They both feature our patented Quick Lift Rapid Height Adjustment for swift bit changes combined with micro adjustment for supreme accuracy. While the Quick Lift is meticulously milled from aluminum plate, the HDS features a precision ground steel plate and steel twist lock inserts. Each lift has options depending on your router size, with carriages fitting 3.5, 4.14, and 4.2 inch routers. Or choose the package with one of our spin-right router motors included. Available in either 2.25 or 3.25 horsepower, spin-right router motors are quieter and more affordable than other similar motors. Once you decide on the package that's best for you, we also make tons of accessories that will fit your new router table. Fine-tune your setup with flip stops and feather boards. Cut safely with our freehand guard and push guards. Or batch out multiple pieces with our coping sled or iron grip small parts holder. Each of our premium router table packages reflects over 3 decades of router table refinement. Productivity meets precision with fast bit changes, perfectly precise scales, and ultra-fine micro adjustments that allow you to place your router bit exactly where you need it every time. Which package is right for you? Learn more on our website by viewing each page. Also, we created a playlist of all of our router table component videos, linked below. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call customer service. Don't wait, order yours today.